Multi-Profitz. Ranking set and forget sites. Multi-Profitz. New app creates monetized, auto-ranking set and forget sites that get you unlimited free traffic in minutes, in any niche, generates 24/7 traffic. Multi-Profitz makes it easy to find, customize and publish relevant, high-impact content to multiple blogs, websites, and social media simultaneously, without the typical hassles of writing content from scratch or paying a writer to do it. It is also equipped with ability to monetize content on complete autopilot with monetization module and get traffic to content with ease. Multi-Profitz resolved all above problems by providing a drag-and-drop curation app with dual functionality of posting to your blogs and your social media simultaneously. You can curate just about anything from articles, memes, and even Amazon products. Powerful features of Multi-Profitz. Integrate with your favorite sites. Multi-Profitz seamlessly integrates with self-hosted WordPress sites, WordPress.com, Blogger, Tumblr, and Twitter. Industry-leading text spinner. Thanks to the futuristic technology of Multi-Profitz, you can automatically create content so good you'll think it's a human, in 7 different languages. Smart automation. You can completely automate the process of content creation with no human interaction with advanced posting parameters and scheduling options, enabling you to create set and forget sites. Instant monetization. What good is traffic that doesn't make you any money? In only a few clicks, you can monetize your site with AdSense, eBay, Amazon, and much more. Built-in spell check. This feature will instantly spot grammatical errors, so you can quickly improve your content for top 20 most popular languages. Full access to 3 targeted traffic sources. You'll get to leverage 3 different targeted traffic sources for boatloads of free visitors to any link of your choice. Unlimited access to traffic-getting content. We'll give you full access to an endless stream of content sources that generate the most targeted traffic and sales. More features. Multi-Profitz in 10 languages. Leverage the power of Multi-Profitz and translate the content into 10 different languages and 10x the targeted traffic and sales with one simple click. Article extraction. With Multi-Profitz, extracting an article from a URL has never been easier. Simply enter in your desired link into the software, and you can instantly extract the article. Article sources. We're giving you 500 plus RSS feeds you can instantly integrate along with a library of 150,000 articles in multiple niches. You can also create content from YouTube transcription. You can leverage the modify and spin functions to quickly pump out new content. Bookmarklets. Bookmarklets for Chrome and Firefox, which will allow user to bookmark article and save reference in Multi-Profitz. Later on, user can convert these bookmarks into blog posts. As Multi-Profitz has its own translation service, users will be able to translate these bookmarks in any desired blog language. Images integration. We're giving you access to a library of 500,000 images along with 200,000 videos to enhance your site. Content integration. You'll have instant access to content sources such as YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitter, Pocket, Pinterest, Medium, Disqus, etc. Inline keyword link. You'll have the ability to insert links into matching keywords of your choice. Example, anywhere that says click here has the URL google.com. Multi-Profitz demo video. The easiest app on the planet for generating high-impact content along with boatloads of targeted traffic in just 3 steps. Enter any keyword of your choice. Quickly generate traffic-getting content. Post it on any desired traffic source. Multi-Profitz, ranking set and forget sites.